Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever shopped on DHgate and needed to cancel an order, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to cancel orders on DHgate in 2025, step by step. This is super handy if you've changed your mind or spotted an error, and I'll make sure it's easy to follow so you can handle it quickly. First off, why might you need to cancel? Maybe the item isn't what you expected, or prices have dropped elsewhere. Whatever the reason, acting fast is key because DHgate has strict timelines for cancellations. Start by logging into your DHgate account. If you're not logged in, head to the website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the My Orders section. It's usually in the top menu or under your profile. Now, browse through your orders and find the one you want to cancel. This only works if the order is still in the processing or pending stage, so check the status carefully. If it's already shipped, you might be out of luck for cancellation and may need to request a return instead. Once you've selected the order, click on it to view the details. Look for the Cancel Order button. It's often right there on the page. Click it, and you'll be prompted to choose a reason for cancellation, like wrong item selected, or changed my mind. Be honest here, as it helps DHgate improve. After selecting your reason, review and confirm the cancellation. DHgate will process it promptly, and you should receive a confirmation email shortly. Keep an eye on that for any updates. A few tips to remember. Always double-check DHgate's cancellation policy before you buy, as it can vary by seller. If the button isn't available, contact customer support through the app or website, they're usually responsive. And remember, canceling early avoids complications like charges or disputes. There you have it, folks. Canceling orders on DHgate doesn't have to be stressful. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.